Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by assembling ingredients. 75 ml dry white wine and 15 ml creme de cassis for a standard serving, or scale to the 1 part cassis to 5 parts wine ratio for any batch. Use a neutral Sauvignon Blanc or a Ligate. Avoid heavily oaked wines. Measure with a jigger or small measuring cup so the balance stays precise. Chill wine to 7-10 degrees C and keep the cassis refrigerated. Have a stirring spoon, a chilled stemmed wine glass, and a clean cloth ready for simple, accurate preparation. Pour 15 ml creme de cassis into a chilled stemmed wine glass first, so the liqueur stays at the base and blends evenly when wine is added. Slowly pour 75 ml chilled white wine down the side of the glass to reduce agitation and preserve carbonation if using a slightly spritzy wine. Gently stir 1 or 2 times with a bar spoon to integrate flavors. Avoid shaking or vigorous mixing that mutes aromatics. Do not add ice. Serving without ice preserves the intended dilution and aroma of the cur. Explore variations. The Cur Royal substitutes champagne or sparkling wine. Use 15 ml creme de cassis with 90-120 ml champagne depending on glass size. For a lighter house version, reduce cassis to 10 ml with 75 ml wine. Garnish choices include a thin lemon twist for brightness or a fresh raspberry for color and aroma. Practical tips. Refrigerate opened cassis and use within 6 months, serve immediately after mixing, and adjust sweetness by small 2-5 ml increments to match guest preference.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.